heard we're vlogging again. This is what I look like in the morning. It's like a cross between a 12-year-old boy and an old lady that's escaped in an insane asylum. It's not pretty, but this is what I look like right now, and I want to participate. So here I am. I got a lot of stuff to do today. I have a lot of stuff to do. I have a lot of stuff to do today because Scott goes into the office on Tuesdays and Thursdays, which gives me full range of the house. Like I don't have to tiptoe around meetings or calls or not be able to get into our room. So it's some laundry day, packing for Disney, planning, and then I got work to do too. Welcome to a day in the life of Kristen on a Tuesday. Oh, and Ian has a band concert tonight. So I actually have to get dressed and put myself together. I forgot about that in my planning today. Here, look, watch. I don't sleep good at night. And a lot of times it's because I think of all the things that I have to do the next day. So the night before and last night, I wrote down things that I need to do for today. That way, I would sleep better. And it worked, I think, mostly. One thing I didn't do yesterday, so I will be doing it today. Also, maybe blur out what my list is so people don't know. Or just flash it once. See, here's my list. That's it. That's what you get. Also, I have the camera propped up on the bathroom sink so that I could see that I'm in the shot and not hold it because I'm really bad at it. I'm not good at it. I hold the camera weird, or I shake it, or I put my finger in front of it. The best way that I vlog is with the camera facing me so I know that I'm in the shot. But the quality's not as good, so it's gotta be the back camera.
I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a
real life. It's 2:45 and I'm sitting in the pickup line for Harlow, and I haven't showered or done anything today because I'm incredibly nauseous. I don't feel good. This is a bad idea. I probably should have asked Scott's dad to get Harlow today because I am actually contemplating getting out of my car and walking to the bushes and throwing up because I'm afraid I'm gonna do it in the car. And Ian's concert is tonight, and it's likely going to be the only one that, like, maybe not the only one that he has, but like the only one he has at his school. God, and I want to go, but I don't know what's wrong. I've barely eaten today. I had 1.5 pieces of toast. That was all I was able to muster. And the last, the second piece of toast with a half, I was gagging on it the whole time. I've almost fallen asleep multiple times, because I just want to lay down, and it's the only time I feel good is if my head is laying. I don't want to disappoint Ian. I don't know why I'm saying all that. God, I want to be a good mom and do the right thing, and I don't want to let him down or disappoint him. He's been disappointed by a few things that are kind of major lately. So I don't want to add to it. I feel like shit. God, I should have at least grabbed a shopping bag or something. Okay. Yeah, so that list of mine to get stuff done, a few things, that's about it. I don't think I'm gonna get anything else done. Oh God, I feel awful.
Hi, how are you? I'm alive. Kristen's sick. Ian's sick. They're vomiting. Kristen has been for a couple days. That's been fun.
basically right after the last upload. The following day, Kristen got sick, and she's been sick ever since. And we are canceling our trip to Florida. We're very, very bummed about that, because we didn't think we were going to be able to go and see the Christmas stuff, specifically so Living with the Land Christmas stuff at night. That's, to me, better than seeing the castle. And so, yeah, we're not going to go now. And Ian woke us up at about 5 this morning, ran into our room and said, stood over the bed and said, "I just threw up all over the hallway. You need to clean it up." Okay, buddy, thanks. Go back to bed. And Kristen, yeah, she has sent me several texts. I don't need that much. She's not having any coffee. She sent me several texts apologizing for being sick, and I'm like, dude, you can't feel bad for something you can't control. And she's like, I know you're taking that a lot. I'm sorry. Anyway, honey, I know you're gonna watch this. I love you. I'm sorry you're sick. It sucks. And but the good news is, try to find the silver lining, right? We're home and everybody's sick. It would not have been a good thing if we were all already in Florida and sick. That would have sucked. So glad that we're not. Anyway, hope you're doing well. Apparently there's this thing going around. Oh, look at Charlie. Hi, buddy. Hi, Doodoo. Hi. You go outside? Go out with your buddy? He is not doing well, as an update. He walks very slow. And his, he's still having seizures. I would say they're like micro seizures. They are kind of short, and I think he just doesn't have like the energy afterwards. He just kind of lays around after. And yeah, it sucks. We're getting closer to that impending day. We thought it was going to happen. We took him to the vet, and we thought they were going to give us a, like, hey, we think this is a good idea too. But instead, they charged us $800 and gave him a bunch of medicine that didn't work. That's awesome. Seems like that's how the medical industry works now these days. Anyway, I thought I'd pick up the phone again because these are easy vlogs to edit. Hope you're doing well. We're gonna hope that today turns around for Kristen and that Ian gets over the sickness faster than she did. Her and I, we're getting older. It sucks. It takes a lot more out of us. I am very grateful for the company that I work for, and particularly my boss. She's awesome, and she sent me a text message last night knowing that Kristen was sick and was like, hey, listen, if you need to work from home, because I work Tuesday, I go to the office Tuesday and Thursdays, and she's like, just stay home. Like, don't worry about it, come in. And it's like, you know, she does that thing where she apologizes for sending a text at 9:30 at night. Hey, sorry for sending a text so late. Dude, 1 a.m. is late. So we bought one of those robot vacuums, like, I don't know, it's been a minute, 3 years. Kristen will tell you it's been 9, I don't know. And it sucks. We stepped up and got one of the ones that has, like, it empties itself, so you don't have to do that daily. But I don't want to say it sucks. It sucks for this, right? Which it should. Like, if you took a vacuum and ran over that, you know, certain things, it wouldn't clean, or that would get locked up too. But the problem is it's like every day it'll vacuum for like 10 minutes and then it sucks something up. And so we're constantly having to, I have to take it apart and pull whatever's in there. And so it's not ideal for us. It's not ideal for a family to have something like that. I wanted to get like the mopping one, but I'm like, what is that gonna do? But what sucks is, like, I have it set to run every morning, and it has not ran in, like, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. I haven't noticed. But I noticed that the floor is disgusting, so now I gotta figure out what's wrong with that, see if I can get it to halfway work, and then I'll just vacuum the house anyway. That's why you see that sitting there. But before any of that We are going to have coffee. No cream, just black coffee. I need to lose some serious weight. I've been eating sweets like crazy, and so this whole week I've been doing this, no sweets. See, it sucked. It's not fun. I like sweets. It's usually my go-to before anything else. But that's why I had to stop. So starting with even creamer in the morning. And I don't do sugar-free shit, so nobody has to worry about leaving a comment about that. The two of you that are watching. Oh, and to the friends. Charlie, come on. Come up here. See, he's confused. He's down there barking at my dad's door. Trying to come in. There he is. Come on, Charlie. Poor old man. How slow he walks. Come on. Okay. Shut the door on Charlie. Are you gonna shut the door on yourself? Okay, bye. Hope you can clean up the backyard a little bit. Come on, Doo-Doo. No, we're not going down there. Come on. Come on. Anyway, as I was saying, to the friends down in Florida, and I call them friends because Chris had met them, the couple, you guys know who you are, down at Coronado. They left us a comment on our last video letting us know that they were going to be there around the same time we are. Sorry, we're not going to make it. That really sucks. I actually thought about that. I was like, I'll meet them this time, and then I'm going to pretend that I got to run off and go to the bathroom because that's what happened. Anyway, look, if we end up moving down there, the odds of bumping into us are pretty high, I would say, especially at the Disney theme parks. So you might be thinking to yourself, Scott, that's kind of hardcore. Like nothing, like not even enjoy your coffee a little bit. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. Hello, me. Meet the real me. For the longest time in my 20s, I would abstain from something. I would do it for 30 days. Sometimes it might be as little as a week, maybe sometimes 3 months. And I would challenge myself. It's just something I would do because I've gotten a very addictive personality. And I've got family members who are alcoholics. I've got drug addicts. And so I realized at a young age, I needed to prove that I can not rely on something. And it was a form of encouraging myself or confirming that I was in control of things. And so if you feel like you need to do that, I highly recommend it. It's challenging. It could be anything. I mean, I've abstained from like everything. And, but it's good for you, man. It's good to challenge yourself. So why do I say that? Because quitting sweets and all that, for me, it's all or nothing. So, because I make an excuse, a little bit here, just a little bit of cream to start my day. And then something happens in the afternoon where I get irritated and I'm like, hey, I already had some sweet. What's a, cake, chocolate cake gonna matter? What's that? How much of a difference is that gonna make if I just go ahead and eat that right now because I'm mad that I stubbed my toe on the corner of a dresser? All right, I think that's good for the morning. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, watch Corbin, make sure he didn't go back outside, and hopefully I'll get dressed and do some more content later. Okay, love you guys, bye. Oh, this is a nice view. It's Friday. And last night was rough. Corbin's sick now, so you could check him off as the next winner. You got Mommy, Ian, and Corbin. And my stomach, not feeling too hot. Having some black coffee again this morning, and we'll see how that turns out as the day progresses. Anyway, hope you're doing well. Super, super bummed that we're not going to Florida this weekend. Could definitely use that right now, but Maybe sometime early in January, we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's a couple days of picking up the camera and doing some stuff. And we'll see what the next vlog looks like. Do something nice for a stranger. Be good to yourself and one another. And if you haven't bought me a Christmas present yet, you don't need to. You better buy me a Christmas present. Make sure you buy your spouse, loved one, kids, everything that they asked for this year. You know, since everything costs like triple, and use your credit cards. Build up that debt. I have. Okay. Love you guys. Bye.